Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fort Washington, local and long-distance movers near me. Planning a long-distance move is never easy, but 3 Movers can simplify the moving process and help move to your new home with less stress. We have helped innumerable clients move from Fort Washington to other cities in Maryland, neighboring states, and across the entire country. We always treat you and your things with the care and respect that you deserve. Best of all, we even offer full-service moving. That means we can pack up your household goods for you in Fort Washington, move them to your new home, and unload and unpack them to help you set up your new home in less time. If you're moving across town or even just a few blocks away, our local movers have you covered. You don't have to worry about renting a truck and hauling your stuff on your own in Fort Washington. Our local movers will take care of everything for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fort Washington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.